double refraction. This is the topic of the physics Downey University physics paper 4, that is of 4th sem, and this is the second session. By the way, I am the Pires from Government Degree College Changiri. Let's we discuss about the double refraction. So usually see the properties of light. Light when travels in a straight line, that is called rectilinear propagation of light. When this light is travels from one medium to another medium, it changes its track, means it bends. That is called law of refraction. So, and this process, when some light is passed through some crystals like calcite or quartz, we see that there is a not only one reflection, it takes the two reflections. Two reflections are seen there. That is called two rays are seen there, called double refraction. So seeing this experiment, this is the calcite crystal. Underneath there is a pencil. It shows the two lines. There is the one of the main line is there, another one is there. There are the two refraction pattern will be seen in this category. So this is called double refraction. That's why it is double, means two-way, two rays are seen. That's why it is called double refraction. So seeing this in this regarding, and also see this quartz crystal, there is a wire is in beneath of this quartz crystal. You see the double wire in the quartz crystal. This shows that this one is the double refraction. Double refractions definitions. Say in this figure, this is the calcite crystal. There is the source of light S. There is light originates from the source and move towards the calcite crystal, hit A with an angle of incidence I. So this is the experiment, seeing this one. So when this light is traveling in this direction, hit the calcite crystal, and you see the two lines inside the crystal, and coming out of this crystal, two lines will be seen after crossing this crystal. So this is called double refraction, and another name is the double refraction is Bayer fringiness. So when this beam of unpolarized light hit the calcite crystal, and whether it are quartz crystal, it splits into two refracted beams. That beams are ordinary rays and extraordinary rays, and this phenomena is called double refraction because of the two refracted rays are seen, and the refracting substance is called doubly refracting substances. This phenomena is Bayer fringiness or double refraction. And this crystal, let me explain this double reflection. When this is from this source hit this calcite crystal with an angle of incidence I, so hit this calcite crystal, and inside the crystal they follow the two path AB and AC. These are the two refracted path with an refracting angle R1 and R2. You see this R1 and R2 are the refracting angles, means the two rays will be refracted inside the calcite crystal. After this, the emergent light are BO and CE are the emergent two light rays coming out of this. BO light is called ordinary ray, and CE light is called extraordinary ray. So they are obtained on the screen. So seeing this two light rays BO and C is parallel to each other, and this O at their image on the screen we got at O and E, and these when the crystal is rotated through where it is in incident position, so you can see that the two light rays how they are rotate, but the O ray, the O image does not rotate, they fix it at a particular point, but the extraordinary ray rotates around the ordinary image, that is ordinary ray around ಈ extraordinary image ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು rotate ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is the explanations. Let's we see how what is ordinary ray. So why it is does not rotate, why extraordinary rays are rotated. Let me see here. So what is see in this picture? So there is the light ray hit the calcite crystal, after it emerge the ordinary ray and extraordinary ray. This ordinary ray does not change its position, it does not rotate, so they are obey the law of refraction. The law of refraction is also known as Snell's law. That's called ordinary law. Ordinary ray. What is ordinary ray? The ray which obtain in a double refraction obeys the laws of refraction. Obey the laws of refraction. That ray is called ordinary ray, and the image is called ordinary image. So it does not change its position because of their refractive index is remains constant. But this ordinary ray is also be a plane polarized along its way, but it is perpendicular to the extraordinary ray. So it is the ray which does not obey the law of refraction, that is Snell's law, does not obey the Snell's law of refraction. So because, and this ray is called extraordinary ray, and image is called extraordinary image, and the refractive index is does not constant, means refractive index changes with this velocity because its velocity goes on changing while it is passed through the crystal. So because of their incident angle is varies. That's the extraordinary ray. But this extraordinary ray is also be plane polarized, but this is perpendicular to the ordinary ray. This is all about the explanation how what is double reflection phenomena, and is another name of double reflection is bare fringeness. There are two rays produced, ordinary and extraordinary ray. Why the ordinary ray is constant? So when this ordinary and extraordinary ray you goes to rotate, the ordinary and E images two times bright when 360 degree rotate. When you rotate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ 360 degree rotate ಆದಾಗ ಟೂ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೇ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೂ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೇ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ plane polarization property when they are passed through the tourmaline crystal. So ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ they have a same velocity, but actually the velocity of external ray changes, ordinary ray does not changes, but at particular place where their extraordinary and ordinary rays velocity does not change, they are equal, that along the axis of the crystal, that axis is called optic axis. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೇ ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವೋ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತದನ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ದಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುವಂತದನ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ these are all about the double refractions. So from these sessions you see that what is double refraction, explanations of the double refraction, what is ordinary ray, what is extraordinary ray, why they are different, when their velocity will be equal in optic axis. So you can see the learn from this session. Okay, thank you very much.